So in the journey of making money online, I stumbled across this app called MPL Pro, which claims to pay its users real cash directly to their bank account for playing just Ludo games and maybe some other basic tasks on the app. Now, what interests me about this app is that you can actually play and win real cash without even depositing a dime, depending on your skill level in the game of Ludo. And don't panic, if you don't know how to play Ludo game, they will also teach you how to play, including rules and everything. And for me, it took about just 5 minutes or less to get through it. So I believe you can do the same thing also. Stick around, I'm going to walk you through a full tutorial video how to register on the app, play the Ludo game, get free bonus so that you won't have to deposit when playing the game, and withdrawal methods also. Now before we hop into the video, for those of you that have been following us on WhatsApp and Telegram channel, you agree that we've already dropped an update on the blog website before. So if you don't have us on WhatsApp or you have not seen this post, I'll also leave a link in the description of this YouTube video so you can go through it. The text version will be more detailed than this video. So here we'll tell you about the app, the referral program, and everything you need to know, basically showing on my screen here. Now let's go straight to the video. This is the MPL Pro app on my screen here. So basically you've gotten an idea of how to make money from this site. Now the interesting thing is how you can make money without deposit, because normally this type of app you have to deposit a certain amount of money because it is a gambling app. Yeah, something gambling like all this normal betting you do, but this one now involves playing game. They pair you with someone that has also staked a certain amount of money, and then you guys play. At the end of the day, the winner goes home with the cash. So before you register and play game to win on this app, normally you should deposit, but here in this video I'm going to walk you through how to bypass depositing, play the game for free, and withdraw your cash. I'll also show you withdrawal proofs from the app. Now here is the app on my screen. So once you have registered successfully, this is how the app should look like on your screen, the updated version of it. Here your balance should be showing Naira, and this one is M points. So to check your balance, all you have to do is click on this wallet, and then you see the full balance, your money in Naira. If you click on withdraw, you should be able to withdraw this because the minimum withdrawal is 15 Naira. So once you input it, you'll be asked to link a bank account if you have not done so already, and then that is basically that. So there is nothing much about this app. If you want to play game, there are two methods. Either you play the one involving one dice or the two dice. So you click on it and you pick a game from this list depending on your balance. If you have up to this balance, you can pick this game, you can pick this game, you can pick this game, and it's pretty much easy. The Ludo game is easy. You can learn it just within 5 minutes, and then you start playing. And in case you want to practice and practice and practice before you get into the real battle, there is a free practice lobby for you here instead of losing money. That is basically that. So that is the major way to earn on the app. But the other way you can earn, again, earning this M point, because aside playing with the money on your balance, you can also play with this M points, MPL points, in which they give you. So you can get MPL points either by clicking on this daily spin wheel or through referral. Now if you're a new user that wants to sign up, play this game for free without depositing and withdraw, you need a referral code. I'll drop the referral code in the description box below for you to copy. So you need a referral code in the course of your registration. When you get this referral code, you apply it when you are registering, you get a bonus of 100 Naira. That is 100 M points. If you want to earn more, you refer people. So the more you refer, the more you get. If you refer one friend, you get 100 Naira. You refer another friend, you get 100 Naira. And it is unlimited, so you can keep accumulating and playing games and withdrawing. For the purpose of the length of this video, I won't show you the withdrawal in this video. Why? Because I've already made a video formally on how to place withdrawal, how long the withdrawal time takes. So if you check the top right icon of this video, you get a link to that video. It's a YouTube short, so the video is just short, 30 seconds. You see how to place withdrawal, get paid, and that is that about that. Now, for the question that has been on your mind, whether MPL Pro is scam or legit, this app has been around for over a year now or more than, according to my research when I trace it back. So people have been cashing out from it. But I think what is making it rampant this year again is because of this free bonus they give you to play game. So we can't say that this app is scam, as withdrawal has been tested and confirmed from it, and withdrawal is as fast as normal transactions between banks. So I think it's worth giving it a try. Play game, earn cash. People are cashing out, people are withdrawing up to 5,000 and more than daily. And especially for the referral, once you refer, you get bonus, and it doesn't even end there. Once you're downline deposit, you get certain commission from it also that you can use to play game.